Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on my seeds. Let's have a look inside here, shall we? There's my my two double LED lights for growing in the winter. There's my penstemons, but these are the ones I'm looking at. Let's get these up on the top. This has got a heat mat underneath it, I'll show you. There we go. And that's thermostatically controlled. So I'll get these up on top, shall we? Out of their little den there. Here we go. And let's have a look, shall we? Get out of the way. Get that further back if we can. Let's get having a look, see what's occurring, shall we? See what's happened so far. These were only sold a few days ago. I can't remember the exact date. It's on the other video anyway. But yeah, as you can see there, I've got a little gem lettuce, gazina, sunflower, sweet corn, poppy, Icelandic ballerina and tomatoes. Let's see which ones have actually grown well. Little gem lettuce, brilliant. Gazinias look like they're growing as well. The sunflowers have come through quite well. Sweet corn, not at all. Ballerina, Iceland poppies and tomatoes look like they're all growing. So everyone looks like it's growing except this sweet corn, which is not bad. 4 out of 5. Let's look at the sweet corn, shall we? I think it's just going to have rotted. Oh, shall I? Yep. Yeah, just rotted, that's what it's done. Yeah. Sounds right, yep. Too far gone that. So the sweet corn hasn't, but even the sunflowers and everything else. So that's one lesson I've learned. Do not throw out flower seed packets that are past the sell by date or use by date. As you can see, I might even grow some of these little lettuces on. Nice to have some salad during the winter. Tomatoes and the Icelandic poppies. I can sell these are tomatoes. So the Icelandic poppies haven't started yet, but if I remember correctly, last time I sowed some of those. It took quite a long time before they started coming through. So the sunflowers, I'll grow them on. And the gazanias, I always struggle pronouncing that. They're starting, or I don't know if it's a little gem lettuce actually. We'll soon find out, one or the other. Anyway, 1 or 2 out of 2 for 6, so 4 if 2 have not started yet. Sweet corn, I know that's gone, that's not coming back. Gazanias could start, or these could be some of them, I'm not quite sure. But everything else looks like it's coming through nicely. So yeah, that's one lesson learned. Do not throw away your old seed packets. It may say that it's years out of date, but seeds have a habit of lasting a long time. I've learned that doing this little experiment. So yeah, it's going to save me a fortune. I've got probably 100 seed packets in here, and most of them are well past the use by date. So yeah, I'm going to go through everything now, and it'll save me probably £50 this year not having to buy seeds. So yeah, if you've got any questions on seeds and how to sow them, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, everybody, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please subscribe. Bye.